Authority forecast with meteorologist Zach Hatcher.
Here's some recent snowfall totals. As it stands from the last update, Peoria Airport picked up about 1.5 inches of snow, Lincoln at about 1 inch, and Springfield 2 inches, with Chatham coming in the highest amount, 3 inches of snow. Winter weather advisory still in effect along and east of the Illinois River for many counties there, indicated in purple. That's going till about midnight when all the snow begins tapering off. Still left with cloudy skies in Peoria after the snow showers ended there, and the Goods Furniture camera kind of looks scary outside. 25 degrees now in Peoria, a blanket of snow on the ground. 24 in Lincoln, 22 in Kewanee, and Havana about 25 degrees. Here's how it's looking now in the 3-hour satellite and radar loop. Still some light to maybe moderate snow showers picking up in areas from Lincoln all the way to Pontiac, with just a few lingering flurries in some of those northwestern counties. Expanding the view, heavy rain is off to our south and east with maybe a little bit of a wintry mix. It's all snow for us the rest of the night, but good news is it's coming to an end shortly. We do have some bad roads though, partly covered roads in Livingston, DeWitt, and some other areas, and we also have mostly covered roads. More counties experiencing that. Ice and snow cover a ton of roads across central Illinois, especially some interstates. You want to be careful if you're out this evening. Plenty of roads just accumulating that snow as it falls, and road crews are out there getting everything done, but there's still plenty of slick roads. Be careful. Low pressure at the surface was responsible for this. That moves off to the north and east. High pressure builds in temporarily for tomorrow. That's going to break away some of those clouds and bring back some sunshine, trying to melt the snow. That won't do a very good job tomorrow, but we'll melt a little bit of it. Future track shows this to roll out of here just before midnight. Skies will be around partly cloudy tonight. Waking up tomorrow morning, a mix of sun and clouds. Here's how much we're looking at. Widespread 2 to 4 inches of snow there, and maybe an isolated pocket of just over 4 inches. These amounts might have to be tapered back just a little bit, but it's still kind of the way of thinking with this as it goes throughout the rest of the evening. 18 degrees tonight in Peoria, 17 from Bloomington over to Pontiac, and 16 Kewanee over to Peru, with the winds out of the north at about 10 to maybe 15 miles per hour. It makes the wind chill more like 8 to 12 degrees. You want to bundle up if you're heading outside this evening. Big Blue H here, high pressure in charge for tomorrow, which will give us decent conditions. It'll be a seasonable January day. And then we'll see a weak low pressure come in from the south and west with a little bit of moisture on this. We might see a few light snow showers north of I-74 tomorrow evening. Little to no accumulation is expected though with this round. Cloudy skies build back in for tomorrow afternoon, and that sticks with us throughout Sunday evening. A few snow showers begin showing up just to our north and west, maybe a little bit making their way toward Galesburg and Kewanee. We're only going to get to the low 30s tomorrow. 32 in Peoria, 34 in Havana, and Pontiac about 31 degrees. Here's the midweek problem that we're looking at though. Wintry mix on tap for Wednesday, maybe even Wednesday night. A lot of it's just going to be rain, but if this rain snow line can make it just a little bit further south, the temperatures cool off a little more than expected. We'll have a wintry mix on our hands from Wednesday night, early maybe Thursday morning. I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal, but it is something that we'll monitor throughout the next couple days. 7-day forecast shows the sunshine to come back out on Monday, which we'll all enjoy, 40 degrees. Tuesday, 49, almost 50 on Tuesday. I'm thinking that most of us probably won't see that, but there is that potential. Back to the teens on Thursday and Friday mornings with the chance of snow headed into next weekend. So just because we're done with this one round doesn't mean we're out of the woods.
So if you didn't get to all those snow day activities today,
yeah,
well, you might have them for next weekend.
Build a little bitty snowman.
All right. Thanks, Zach. Still ahead.